We are showing the system called Finances by Trandsoftware. It aims the personal financial control with budget control in your hand all the time. It's currently available for Android and can be found in the store. Look for the introductory presentation to get an overview of the system. You can send comments to contact@trandsoftware.com. Till now we saw a way to manually schedule an entry. Let's see how to program schedules automatically. We are going to program two kinds of transactions. One to post a mortgage payment and another about a monthly salary. To reach the routine we choose Menu, Projected, and Programming Schedules. Then the system shows a list of the existing programming schedules. And now nothing exists. Remember, it's possible to click on titles to show a help screen. Let's click on New to add a recurring schedule. Note in this screen we can touch on field titles for help. Let's type an account name mortgage. We can choose the frequency of payments and we will leave as month, meaning monthly. We type the value $478.39. To serve as example of futures, we choose fixed expenses. That means the expenses we cannot simply reduce or abandon. The system alerts about dates far away from now, confirming the record is done, and the system goes back to the list of programmed schedules, now with one record. Let's do another projection. We choose New, and pressing the scroll box on the top of the screen, we select Income in order to program salary to be earned in future. Here we also can touch on field titles for help. To show another way to input the account salary, we will start typing that account name and we choose salary in the list as soon as possible. Let's click on the calendar to alter the day to 10, supposing the salary is always received this day, and confirm. The final date was assumed by the system a year later from now. This interval of time to projection can be configured on Menu, Other Settings. In this example, we will leave as it is because one day later does not matter considering the recurring time monthly. We save the data and the system goes back to the list that now has two records. Pressing back, we return to the home screen and we see scheduled transactions. Note the first of them referred to an income of $800 about the salary that may have been received yesterday, day 10. Because it is in the past, its color is red. The mortgage payment that must be done today is in yellow. The transactions in the future are shown in green. We can slide the buttons to the left or right to locate what we need. The system starts to show from the oldest pending schedule. The gray colors of red, yellow, and green on the title, scheduled transactions, represent the proportion of scheduled records waiting for confirmation. Red in the past, yellow the ones with today date, and green those in the future. It is important to understand that scheduled records must be confirmed or deleted. Do not miss our next video about fast records, turning schedules into effective records, and about some interesting reports types.